Good morning, members of the media. This is a brief on the severe tropical cyclone Ula, and at 4 a.m. this morning, severe tropical cyclone Ula was located near 18.3 degrees south latitude and 174.3 degrees west longitude, or about 475 kilometers east of Lakeba. Tropical cyclone Ula is a category 3 system and is moving west-southwest at about 23 kilometers per hour. It is a small and compact system with a 10-minute average wind speed estimated at about 80 knots close to the center. It is expected to maintain a west-southwest track as it approaches Fiji. On this projected path, it is expected to lie about 155 kilometers southeast of Lakeba Island, or about 420 kilometers southeast of Suva at 7 a.m. tomorrow. As it comes closer to Fiji waters, the islands in Lau Group is expected to experience strong to gale force winds several hours ahead of the approach of the system. It is expected to lie about 275 kilometers southwest of Lakeba, or about 100 kilometers west of Suva at 7 a.m. on Monday morning. Tropical cyclone alert remains in force for the Lau Group. For the Lau Group, strong easterly winds with average speeds of 50 kilometers per hour and momentary gusts of 65 kilometers per hour can be experienced, with winds may be increasing further to damaging gale force from Sunday morning. Occasional rain and thunderstorms becoming frequent. A strong wind warning also remains in force for the Lau Group, Kandavu, and nearby smaller islands. For Lau Group, Kandavu, and the nearby smaller islands, strong southeast winds with average speeds of 45 kilometers per hour, gusting to 65 kilometers per hour. Occasional rain becoming frequent and heavy at times from tomorrow, moderate swells developing. For the rest of Fiji, moderate to fresh westerly winds, gusty at times, occasional showers, possibly heavy at times from tomorrow. For Fiji waters, a strong wind warning remains in force for all Fiji waters. Clockwise winds 20 to 30 knots, gusting to 40 knots. Rough to very rough seas, moderate southeast swells. Winds may increase to further damaging gale force winds with high seas over the Lau waters from later tonight.